Looking for an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to the ultimate high-paying surveys app that allows you to earn money by simply sharing your opinions. Say goodbye to tedious surveys that pay pennies, and hello to a platform that offers lucrative rewards for your valuable feedback. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your downtime into a profitable venture. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already experienced the financial benefits of this incredible app. Start earning today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Imagine having the opportunity to make extra cash whenever and wherever you want. With Multipolls app, you can turn idle moments into profitable ones by simply completing surveys that match your interests. It's a win-win situation. Multipolls free app brings you high-paying surveys right to your fingertips, thanks to the power of AI. Thus giving you the chance to take more surveys than other apps, and hence making you more cash. Surveys are available at your fingertips. Take surveys on the go and earn money for sharing your valuable opinions. Thousands of available surveys from hundreds of researchers to find the right ones that are the best fit for you. After reaching $12.50, you can cash out via PayPal. You will just need to provide the email address associated with your PayPal and initiate the cash out process from within the app. Multipolls lets you earn cash from the moment you download the app. Don't miss out on this chance to earn money effortlessly. Download Multipolls free app now and start making money from the convenience of your smartphone. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.